Imagine a battlefield where two armies face off, but no one dares to move. Every day, a giant named Goliath steps forward, towering, armored, fearless. His voice thunders across the valley, "Who will fight me?" And every day, the men of Israel shrink back, hearts pounding with fear. But one morning, a boy arrives. Not a soldier, not a warrior, just a shepherd carrying bread for his brothers. His name? David. He sees the giant, and something stirs inside him. "Who is this man?" David asks, "to defy the armies of the living God?" While the soldiers tremble, David steps forward. King Saul offers him armor, heavy and clumsy, but David shakes his head. He doesn't need a sword or shield. He needs only his sling, 5 smooth stones, and faith in God. The giant laughs when he sees David. "Am I a dog that you come at me with sticks?" But David stands tall, his voice steady. "You come at me with sword and spear, but I come at you in the name of the Lord Almighty." The battlefield falls silent. The boy twirls his sling, lets a stone fly, and in a blink, the giant falls with a crash that shakes the ground. One strike, one victory, the enemy flees, and Israel roars with triumph. That day, the world learned something unforgettable. True strength doesn't come from size, armor, or weapons. It comes from faith. When the world shouts, "Impossible," God whispers, "Trust me." David wasn't the biggest or strongest, but he believed. And with God, that was enough. And maybe it's enough for you too.